Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring a stamp set called Itty Bitty Christmas. I'm using the Winter Snow Embossing folder. I have two die sets, the Tasteful Labels and the So Many Snowflakes, and I am using tiny pieces out of each of them. So I have my sandwich here that I'm building, so platform 1, and then an acrylic plate 3, and then my embossing folder with my cardstock in between, and then another acrylic plate on top, and that will be my embossing sandwich. And I'm going to switch up the sandwich for the die cuts, so I will be using platform 1 and then the platform 2 at the acrylic plate 3, and then my two cardstocks, which is Very Vanilla and Crumb Cake, and then another acrylic plate. I don't know if you know this, but an announcement here, the new mini embossing cut and emboss machine will be coming out. It's really tiny and cute, and it would have made easy work for me using these very tiny dies, but I haven't got one yet, so there it is. I'm using my take your pick tool to pick out, there's holes on the back of the dies, so you can poke at, gently poke and pry and get the paper out of the die. And this other one is sort of like a flag-ended little rectangle. I have two versions. You'll see the second version at the very end, but this version has me using the real red ink and the tiny little sentiment from the Itty Bitty Christmas and it says believe. So then I have put dimensionals on the back of that, and I just pushed it off to the side. I folded my card base. When you have simple cards like this, you need to really make sure things are even and straight. So that's what I'm doing. This is the little rectangle here, flag-ended rectangle. I'm just creating perfect placement for that. And then a little glue dot on the back of my snowflake, and I just kind of roll it up into a little wee ball and then stick it right in the middle. And then I will use my take your pick tool to, it's like a really thin finger so that I'm able to get my fat fingers out of there and so I can see what I'm doing. And I coated this with the Wink of Stella. Of course, snowflakes have to look cold and icy, so there's the cold and icy feel. And then it was just a little too plain, so I had to add the adhesive backed snowflake embellishments. And there's kind of like a green side and a pink side to these. I made a second card with using the green snowflakes. And that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.